The next revolution in AI is customized training, and in the next few minutes, you'll see how to leverage it to skyrocket your business. Specifically, how anyone can easily auto-clone anyone into an AI avatar chatbot with custom knowledge, personality, and appearance that works 24/7, growing you or your client's business. But first, AI and ChatGPT have revolutionized the way we do business, but come with massive limitations. Current AI chatbots can't teach, coach, and interact with your clients and prospects the way you can. Yes, there are AI bots that can automate a lot of tasks. But to grow a business, you need AI with its own identity and skill set that helps differentiate your business, your coaching style, the way you sell, etc. from every other business out there. Current AI chatbots aren't trainable on specific data and can't share unique knowledge, are complicated to set up and costly, feel cold and lifeless with no personality. And without self-learning AI technology, that means businesses are forced to pay increasingly high salaries to outsourcers and staff that may force them to close up shop. But what if you or your small business agency client could leverage AI that not only automated each task on the level of an industry expert, but did it the way your company does, just as if they went through extensive onboarding training? If you think about it, you could allow your current employees to do more productive, meaningful work in your business, 100 times in the growth of your company with less work. Sounds impossible, right? Well, for the first time, anyone, regardless of experience, can clone themselves or any expert into a customized AI avatar that works tirelessly on your behalf. Imagine that in seconds, you can clone yourself or an expert coach who mentored your clients while you slept in your style with your exact knowledge. Cloned an expert to get high-level consulting from each day without paying thousands in fees. Or create a custom AI chatbot avatar that works to drive leads and sales for your exact business 24/7. You could grow your business by 10 times and even start an AI chatbot automation agency. That sounds like something from the far future though, right? Well, we've made it happen. Introducing AI Coaches. AI Coaches lets anyone, regardless of technical know-how, clone themselves or any expert into an AI avatar chatbot with customized knowledge that mentors clients, closes leads, and works tirelessly on your behalf to grow your business. Plus, you can customize and rent out DFY AI chatbot avatars pre-trained in many different niches to small businesses to run an AI avatar agency business, helping them save thousands of dollars in salaries. AI Coaches is so easy to use. 1. Clone someone into AI or choose a DFY AI coach. Choose to start from scratch and clone yourself or a public expert into an AI chatbot. Or choose from already DFY AI avatar chatbots trained as experts in specific niches. 2. Train your AI coach. Then, train your AI avatar chatbot on specific data so it shares customized knowledge the way you want with your prospects. You can also copy and paste text, add video links, add URLs, upload text documents, and more to train the AI. 3. Customize appearance and personality. Customize the personality and coaching style of your AI chatbot. Choose to make it more gentle versus more direct, or more serious versus more lighthearted, for example. Plus, customize the chatbot appearance by adding your own image, changing colors, editing names, editing welcome and default messages, and more. 4. Put your AI coach to work 24/7. Choose what you want your AI chatbot avatar to do. Sell products, generate leads, provide support, etc. For instance, add lead capture forms if you want your AI coach to generate leads for you. The AI avatar chatbot will work 24/7 educating clients, generating more leads, increasing sales, and more, just like you if you cloned yourself or hired an industry expert in your field. Unique features never seen before in any app include: clone yourself into an AI avatar chatbot. Quickly create a digital chatbot clone of yourself that's trained with your specific knowledge. Now you can be available 24/7 to mentor clients, close leads, and increase sales since your clone has all your expertise and can talk to clients and leads like you do. Clone an expert into AI avatar chatbot. Choose to clone any public expert or institution into an AI chatbot avatar that's available around the clock. Clone an expert to learn personally from without paying thousands in hourly consulting fees. Or sell a replica to a business for them to converse with leads and clients 24/7. Edit, use, or sell already DFY AI coaches. AI Coaches comes loaded with fully pre-trained AI chatbot avatars that you can sell to biz owners or use yourself. They're ready to go in popular niches like bodybuilding, weight loss, financial marketing, and more. Customize the AI coach's knowledge. Choose which information your AI coach will know and share and what it won't. Tell it where to get the info or give it some files to get started. Easily train your AI chatbot from YouTube videos, copy and paste text files, website links, and more. Customize the personality and style. Customize the personality and coaching style of your AI avatar chatbot. You can customize things like question versus advice. Train your AI to ask questions and hold space like a coach or give direct advice like a mentor. Gentle versus direct. Want an empathetic AI or a straight-talking one? You choose. Short versus long. Train your AI coach to give shorter responses like a back-and-forth coaching session or lengthier paragraphs containing more information, and even more personality options for humanistic companions that don't seem like AI bots. Customize AI coach design. Easily customize the chat widget and upload any avatars or images so it feels like you're talking to a real person or character. Change fonts, colors, names, default responses, and more the way you want. No more cold, lifeless chatbot windows that get low interactions anymore. Build your list and capture data. Capture a visitor's email or information as they chat with your AI coach to generate leads. Send leads to the autoresponder or CRM of your choice for email marketing, webinars, online consultations, and more. Accept payments and let your AI coach sell products. Configure your AI chatbot avatar to sell custom products like a pro as they chat with prospects. Accept payments and sell products while you sleep, integrating your Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, or other payment solution. Use as a support agent or customer service representative. Use your AI coach as a trained customer support agent and provide world-class support to your buyers and educate prospective leads, too. Your AI support agent will pull knowledge from your custom data training for speedy, accurate results that will delight employees or customers. Use as a 24/7 coach and product creation expert. Put your AI coach in a membership to provide coaching 24/7 to prospects when they can't reach you. Plus, talk with your AI expert coach to create world-class courses and marketing materials you can use to start your own coaching business. Embed anywhere, multiple ways. Just copy some script and embed your AI coach anywhere as a pop-up or inline embed. AI coaches work perfectly on desktop devices, tablets, and mobile phones. Organize workspaces and clients. Organize all of your AI avatar chatbots by type and by client with this feature. Keep everything tidy and organized as you scale you or your client's business at lightning speed. View conversation history. Keep detailed documentation of all chats logged with chat conversation history. This is important for compliance and to track what AI bots are producing the most results. Download leads from within the app. AI Coaches integrates with the most popular autoresponders and webinar solutions. Don't have an autoresponder? Don't worry. You can download all the leads captured through all AI coaches right from the dashboard and broadcast to them. And many more features, like fully cloud-based 24/7 support and knowledge base, instant response time, no technical experience needed, in-app training, frequent updates included, amazing results, full customization, and more. Okay, I know you're anxious to get AI Coaches with all of its incredible features, but we just want to up the ante. That's why we're going to make sure you get the commercial license with your investment at no additional charge today. This allows you to sell the AI coaches you make to any business for any amount you want. Easily charge $5,000 per AI coach, or even rent out any of the DFY AI coaches for monthly fees, just like a salary. Or start selling AI avatar chatbot creation services on Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and more tonight. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Plus, AI coaches will soon be sold for a monthly subscription after the special launch period ends. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only super low fee today. A fair warning, this incredible price you see below will disappear soon. If you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity and AI coaches is super easy to get results with, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. If you try out AI coaches and can't get any leads, sales, or clients with this revolutionary AI marketing avatar bot suite, then you pay nothing. Yep, you're entitled to a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee if you can't get AI coaches to succeed right out of the gate. All it takes is one AI coach to transform your business, which you can have up and running in just a few hours from now. You have the first mover's advantage with customized AI, but other bigger companies will start implementing this in their business soon to grow 30 to 3,000 times faster. It will be nearly impossible to compete with them if you don't act soon. So grab it now before we switch to a monthly fee at triple the price you're getting it for today. Click the button below to secure your license before it's too late to take advantage of the AI customization revolution.